Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nutshell School. Today we are going to talk about how to become a freelance copywriter and make money online. You have probably heard numerous times that copywriting is a great way to earn money as you travel the world, and now you want to know how to become a copywriter too. You can easily make money working as a freelance copywriter, not just from home but anywhere in the world. Better still, you don't need much to get started. Copywriting is a multi-million-dollar industry with skilled copywriters in continuous high demand. More and more businesses are understanding the importance of work with a skilled copywriter for their marketing efforts. You do not need a degree, but you do need to be good at writing. So if this is something you can see yourself doing, keep on listening for advice on how to be a copywriter. Ready to get started? Here are our top tips on how to get started as a freelance copywriter. Now, what is copywriting? Before we jump into the detail of becoming a copywriter, let's quickly understand what copywriting actually is. Copywriting is the process of writing promotional materials geared towards convincing the reader to take an action. This could be to make a purchase, opt in, or engage with a product, service, or company. Copywriters are essentially a salesperson using the written words to get customers. If you are going to be working as a copywriter, you should know what kind of content you will be creating too. Copywriters are the experts who create the text you see on websites. Now, how to become a copywriter and what skills do you need? Copywriting is a high specialized industry that even though you don't necessarily demand for formal education, there are certain must-have skills for anyone interested in becoming a copywriter. Let's take a quick look at what these are. Number 1. Stellar writing skills. To success as a copywriter, you must write well. Stellar writing skills do not come easy, and they require content material. You must listen how to write in English, as this is the most popular language across the world. Have really good grammar, error-free spellings, and learn your vocabularies. Remember, you don't have to be a good writer off the bat. Simply practice, practice, and practice some more. Number 2. An eye for detail. Making sure that your copy is error-free is a must. An eye for detail will help you spot any error as you proofread and edit your work before you send it to your client. The more your copy is error-free, the more professional you will be considered. No clients want work that they have to keep editing and making changes. They hire you so that you can do that for them. Number 3. Curiosity. You must have a curious mind in order to come up with a text that will convince your reader to take an action. Be curious enough to learn as much as you can about the topic you are writing on. Even when a topic is new to you or boring, explore it with a curious mind. Number 4. Impossible research skill. Right up with the curiosity is impossible research skill. To come up with a great and highly converting copy, you need to do good research in order to fully grasp the topic as well as the audience you are targeting. Well, are you currently learning how to be a freelance copywriter? What are some of the challenges you are facing? Leave a comment and tell us about it. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.